How to deposit money with debit or credit card on OKX. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. If you want to learn how you can deposit funds using your debit or credit card on OKX, follow the steps that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to log in into your OKX account. Once you are logged in, the second thing is to verify your identity if you've not done so. It is because without verifying your identity, you cannot deposit or withdraw any money or funds on your OKX account. So to verify identity, just click on the verify now that you can see on your home page, and then click on verify now again, and we will be directed to the identity verifications page where you can select your country and the identity type. So once you've done that and you verified your identity, move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see icons like OKX, Discover, Trade, Grow, Access, and just click on Access. After clicking on assets, you will be brought to the assets page, and here you can see deposit. So just click deposit. Now, after clicking deposit for you, after you've done your identity verification, you'll be taken to the deposit page where you'll be asked to choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, copy the deposit address provided by OKX, and then initiate a transfer for your external wallet or another exchange by pasting the deposit address and entering the deposit amount. So confirm the transfer, and from there follow the on-screen instructions. You'll see instructions or options of using your debit or credit card to make payment. Follow it, confirm the transfer, and then wait for deposits to be completed. So it is that simple. This is how you can deposit funds using a credit or a debit card on OKX. Thanks for watching and have a good day.